Every merchandiser knows this struggle. Endless Excel files, manual calculations, some stores running out of stock, while others sit on dead inventory. Manual replenishment is slow, reactive, and full of guesswork. By the time decisions are made, sales opportunities are already lost. What if your replenishment system could think automatically and allocate stock only where products are actually selling? The system first calculates every store's daily sales velocity. Then it calculates ideal stock cover for each store. Next, it identifies stock gaps instantly. High-performing stores get priority first, and inventory is automatically allocated until warehouse stock is exhausted. No sales, no replenishment. Non-performing stores are skipped automatically. Result: faster decisions, better sell-through, reduced overstock, and smarter inventory movement across stores. Want to test this auto replenishment system for your business? Drop a comment saying ARS